Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Timo Bolte from Bolte Event Design, and today I want to make a small little hand tie with you when you're invited to someone and don't want to show up empty-handed. So I found this beautiful paper in the store next to mine, and we start making simple rolls with it and staple the ends together. As the base for the bouquet, I have this old roll of double-sided tape. I want to recycle it because it's a perfect base for what we want to do next. If you don't have an empty roll, just take another round thing or paperboard or another ring you would like to use and add some double-sided tape. Remove the paper and get some wires for the handle. This is a 0.9 wire, quite convenient, quite popular, and twist the ends together. You can take them double, you can take them single, up to you. I normally like to make 3 legs, so it's very steady, very strong, and get them together. So you can see this is already the base for my hand tie bouquet, and then we can start adding those papers already sticking outside. As it's already with the double-sided tape, it's quite steady, quite strong, and we just can attach our paper rolls. I like to have them in some different heights to give it a bit more of a natural look. You could also use glue gun to attach them. This is what I will do next for the second layer. So have them different heights, and then with the glue gun I add some between and make it even stronger and even bigger. You could also use a paper of the color or the design you like. Doesn't have to be these Chinese New Year's colors of red and gold. Could be something very modern, very trendy, like a purple, or like another gift wrap paper you have. And then you can see it's quite quick, just getting this ring done, checking where there's some gaps, it's still a bit moving, so I'll fix this one, get another round on top. And I'm getting the shape of this arrangement, this hand tie bouquet. The classic colors for the New Year's, Chinese New Year's, are classic blue, white, yellow as a gold part, and red. This is the symbol for fortune and wealth, and looks quite elegant. So we have already the base structure for our hand tie bouquet, and we can already start adding some flowers in the rolls. In the center we have this beautiful Manjipa Graspedia, which is a quite quality with super big heads. And we can start adding our flowers inside, outside, and between. Some greens. You can go to the garden, to the park, whatever you can find is fine. just filling the flowers here in the center. You could add some from the outside, but I like to focus pretty much in the center of this arrangement. Some of this beautiful Stromeria to get the color. Some spring elements, these tulips, which can grow with the time. And you see, we don't need so much flowers. It's quite quick, quite simple, and very fast. A little bit more yellow in here. And some more of the Gaspedia, and we are already done with our hand-tied bouquet. The outside. Another one here. And we're already done with our bouquet. The ends off, adding some, getting the ends off, getting some real wire or some paper covered wire, tie it together. Then we're having a little New Year's greeting with a little hidden coin back in the back to say it's the year of the tiger. And this is already our New Year's bouquet takeaway. When you're invited with beautiful Graspedia from Manjipa, and some seasonal greetings. So, Happy New Year from me. Thank you for watching. Click like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you and see you soon.